YouTubers on the nation. I'm Zoe on the BFF channel, and today I'm going to react to the scene from the episode of Fraggle Rock, which is some Brotherhood of D&D. And you know what Brotherhood means? It means there's a lot of brotherly friendship and a lot of brotherly love. And of course, teamwork makes the dream work, right? Yeah, that's the sound of Richard Hunt already, and that's the sound of the you-know-who. Yeah, the fat kaiju type creature guy who was puppeted by Robert Mills and voiced by Richard Hunt. Remember? I know this. I know this guy. I know this a lot. But he's the king's son. You got it, Grace German. You actually know what this scene's about. Anyway, so let's get this scene filled with brotherly love and a lot of teamwork and a lot of enthusiasm. Mm. I love his laugh. I like it when he's like, he won't be sorry. Yeah. Wow. The other crown jewel is WWE. I can do that impression of that type of creature guy. Remember, I like it. All right. Woo! Now that's a good chant for sure. That's the weirdest I've said. What? I love this. I like to be a team member. Boy, oh boy, I'm so flattered. I'm so enthusiastic. Boy, was I wrong. But no, I was so exactly right. That's what I call brotherly love, teamwork, and a lot of friendship. Here on the D&D location from Fraggle Rock, I call it the Gork's Garden. I know the location name. And I know his name. His name's Junior Gorg. Yes, I know his name. That goes to you, Chris, and other BFFs, and Grace German out there. Boy, oh boy, I know this. I am so obsessed. And you are obsessed too. Anyway, actually, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a suggestion, rate, favorite, share, subscribe, and comment, and all the fantastic stuff. And please comment down below of what what video that I have to react to coming up next. So until next, I'm gonna warm up. I'm gonna work on that impression. So I'm gonna do that impression of Junior Gorg right now in 3, 2. Until the next video, I'm gonna capture you on that Fraggle Rock video. Hey, nami nami, ha cha cha. What do you think of that? Now this is the looking good thing.